save into your phone.
Oh yeah, it does.
Okay, good. Alright, now let's start walking. This video is called what do you want to name this video?
Nature Adventures.
Nature Adventures.
With Shon Cortez and Joseph Otviani.
Yep.
Oh, there's a fallen watchtower.
Yeah, as you can see, he is hopefully on the
Fallen watchtower. Come on, Sean.
Okay.
This is how all horror movies start.
All this stuff.
See, this is a fallen watchtower. It's a nice day out. On my phone, it's like brighter. See, look, when you look up at the sky, see how it's dark?
Yep.
It's actually lighter on my phone.
All right.
Anybody say hi yet?
They said you're live. We're building. Okay. Oh, audience.
Anybody join the audience? No?
Not yet.
Okay. Let's keep going.
Yeah, they tell me to keep going. Alright.
Let's go that way. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, guys.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Whoa. My screen got blurry for a second there. I had to let it focus. You need a stick. Pick up this one.
For danger or something?
Yeah, maybe.
Damn.
Hey, put it on the ground for a second.
Okay.
It's not a good stick. It's gonna break upon impact. I guess I'll just have the ginormous ass stick.
Alright. Ready to go?
I don't know if anybody could see that on my view. Whoa. Ooh, sorry guys.
Then again?
Yeah, just a little bit of spider webs.
I also want to focus on YouTube too.
I'm posting it on YouTube.
Okay.
You can't post it on YouTube unless you're filming it.
Okay.
And it's not technically a film on Facebook, dude.
Yeah.
This is pretty boring.
What did you say?
It's pretty boring, dude.
Oh, okay.
You gonna subscribe to me on Facebook?
Huh?
You're gonna, well, not on Facebook. Sorry, you're gonna subscribe to me on YouTube?
Sure.
Cool.
So,
Damn
I think we're getting boring, dude.
Whoa, whoa, spiderwebs again. Oh, that was a lot more than last time.
Dude, I think we're getting boring.
Whoa.
You're not even watching it.
It's because you don't have that many friends on Facebook then.
I have 200 and something friends.
You have more than I do.
Huh?
You have more than I do then.
I know.
So out of all your 200 friends, none of them wants to come watch you.
Maybe they're interested, but I think
Crap.
they will see all this.
Hold my phone, would you? Got a whole bunch of spiderwebs on me on that one.
I heard some voices.
Yeah, person lives up there. Let's go through that way.
I hope no one comes up with a gun.
I've been told that they're pretty aggressive.
Oh, someone liked it. Someone commented it.
Cool.
Hey, Elizabeth.
Who?
This is Hey Sean. What's up, Liz?
Hey, Liz.
My friend said, hey, Sean. Hi. Anyway, that's my friend right there.
Yeah, guys, this is Shon Cortez. You got a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
I'll leave it in the link. Hey, dude, you want a ball? Golf ball? There's a golf ball right here.
Yeah. All right.
You got a momentum.
Thank you.
Memento, not momentum. We're not running or anything.
Now we're going a little bit way too far, y'all. Going left it again.
Nah. It's just, we're ending the end of this part of it.
Yeah.
There's other parts we can go through though.
Hopefully there's no Cinco here.
No, there isn't. Just go ahead and walk. It's like a dam. Wasn't built by beavers or anything, but it's just like a natural dam.
Okay.
Come on, dude.
Alright, dude. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, damn. That hurt. Whoa. Up and over.
Hi.
Who?
Hi, Logan.
Logan who?
Logan Smith.
Huh. Huh?
We don't know him.
Where's he go?
He used to live in Kentucky, now he moved, and I hope I don't fall.
A lot of bricks. You got a spider web? Ah, crap. Yeah. Tall people problems. Ow. I hurt my knee.
This way or this way?
Up this way.
Okay, we're going this way, y'all.
Yeah. I hurt my knee and my foot.
You alright, dude?
Yeah, my left knee was hurt. My right foot was also hurt.
Okay. Do you mind to get on camera?
No, dude.
You mind?
No. Dude, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, look, all that, guys.
Yeah, you hear that? Maximize that by 2. And then that is what it's like at night. But you're just wandering in the darkness.
Yep.
How would you know? You've never been out here in the dark.
I did.
What's up?
What's up, man?
The maximum I can go on this phone is 28 minutes and 43 seconds on the video. Damn it. My fucking foot. I wish I didn't slip. Now I look like a dumbass on camera. I was gonna go live on Facebook too, but I wasn't able to.
Okay. Are you Logan?
Hey guys. Damn it. It's so painful to walk. Just kind of trying to keep the camera up. Keep pointing it down. So you want to go to number 1 now?
Sure.
Cool. When I went, last time I went live, nobody watched me.
Hi, Kayla. How you doing?
I don't think I actually went live. For some reason it was messing up. I was doing the Sabaton radio that day. So I was playing music.
What do you mean, Elizabeth?
What? What'd she say?
Share your video on Facebook.
That's cool.
Thank you, Elizabeth. I'm good. I'm good too, Kayla.
Damn it.
How's your new school, Kayla?
How many people you got watching?
Not a few.
It tells you.
Yeah.
How many? 3?
2.
2.
People's commenting, so I guess I got more.
Ran into a spider web.
Okay, I'm at my friend's house, Elizabeth.
Now he's in the forest. Behind my house.
We're walking in the woods.
My house is over that way. You think your mom's gonna flip out if she sees this on Facebook?
Yeah, I mean, hopefully.
Well, I'll be 15 this year, so.
Everyone say happy birthday to...
No.
It's really his birthday.
Nah. May 3rd, guys.
He says May 3rd, y'all.
Just come follow me on YouTube. Subscribe.
He wants you to come subscribe.
Subscribe.
On his YouTube channel.
Sub. This is the entrance. This is where we entered. I want to show you something cool. Have you ever smelled, or a broken branch off of apple tree?
No. Tell me about it, sir.
It smells really sweet. It smells like apples.
Oh.
Ow.
Kayla Aqui says happy birthday to you. It's not really his birthday yet, Kayla.
Hey, you want to come to the park on May 3rd with me? For my birthday?
I'll go ask my mom.
I don't know if it's going to be on my birthday exactly. Because my mom's not going to be able to go back to work yet, so.
It's alright, Kayla. His birthday is in May 3rd. He says thank you, by the way.
Yeah. Sir, here.
I miss you too, Kayla.
Start going through that,
Mom?
Maybe. Yeah. Alright, come on. Okay. Alright. We're coming back. We have to go.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this live video. I hope everyone likes this on Facebook and
follow us on Twitter.
yeah, follow us.
Follow me on Twitter. I don't know if he has Twitter. Go that way.
Alright, we're going back to this.
Yeah, we can video the rest of the way back.
Yeah. Okay, I'll keep on playing music for you.
Dude, my foot hurts. It hurts more than my knee.
Bye, Elizabeth. I love you.
Go through here. Trail.
Alright, we're heading. Is that your phone?
No, I think that was your phone going off.
We have the same ringtone, that's why I asked.
Yep.
Hope spiders don't bit me.
Usually you won't find spiders here.
Okay, good.
You'll find their webs,
Which
but
way?
that way, dude.
Okay, good. Getting ready to get hit in the face, y'all. With these bastards.
Sorry, guys. It's a little dark.
Alright, now it's getting really dark for y'all.
I would turn on my flashlight, but my phone doesn't enable flashlight. Well, video.
It won't let me put a light on.
Yeah, same. I'm just going to end here. Thank you guys for watching, coming to watch us. Oops, sorry. Thank you guys. Well, see y'all dudes later.
All right,
and ladies.